couple weeks ago we made coconut shrimp and I had a few people who didn't like shrimp, so today we're making coconut chicken. So if you don't like shrimp, this is definitely the recipe for you. I've got 3 bowls. Bowl number 1, you're gonna add flour. Bowl number 2, 2 eggs, fort. And bowl number 3, panko. Breadcrumbs will work fine, but I personally like to use panko with anything coconut related. I just think it tastes better. And now give everything a little season. I'm gonna use some Aleppo pepper, garlic powder, some ginger, salt, and pepper. I really wonder what's gonna upset the keyboard warriors today. To the panko, you're gonna add coconut flakes. You can use sweetened or unsweetened. Season up your chicken as well. Also, you want to cut your chicken into like small bite-sized pieces so we don't burn the coconut while we're trying to cook the chicken thoroughly. Chicken into the flour, dust off any extra, into the egg, into the panko. Beautiful. And then just repeat the process until you run out of chicken. Now clean as you go because less mess, less stress. Now we're gonna take our coconut chicken nuggies and place them in our basket. Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Preheat your cooking creature to 375. How did I forget one nugget? I forgot one nugget. Cook on 375 for a total of 12 minutes. We're gonna flip at the halfway mark. If at the end of cooking you're worried about the chicken being cooked thoroughly, I highly recommend to have a thermometer. You want the internal temperature to be 165. And because I know somebody's gonna say, I know that chicken's not cooked thoroughly, my biggest nugget, internal temp is 170. They're thoroughly cooked, I promise. And now we plate. I paired mine with white rice and I used some sweet Thai chili sauce. It's so good. Delicious.